Hello and welcome to the video blog in 60 seconds. Today's topic: ceramic shower trays. Ceramic is very robust and particularly durable. As a natural material, it has already proven itself over 270 years for Villeroy Boch, in particular for the production of shower trays. The glaze is burned into the ceramic at temperatures of up to 1200 degrees Celsius. This creates a perfectly sealed, seamless surface that is extremely easy to clean. The installation of ceramic shower tray is fast and simple. They can be flush fitting or installed on the tiling. A MEPA installation frame made of steel is available for our Subway Infinity shower tray. It can also be used to install a shower tray on a base in no time at all. To make the waterproofing of the shower tray even safer and more reliable, we offer the MEPA Aquaproof sealing set. It prevents water from getting behind the silicone joint and beneath the tray. In addition, our ceramic shower trays feature a high level of slip resistance, up to anti-slip class B, depending on the color. This provides your customers with a firm foothold, ensuring safety while showering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to tune into our next episode. See you next time.